Hi there! Welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa St. Ode, and today we are making these delicious brownies, and we're not using any eggs whatsoever. The price of eggs have gone up so much that it's nice to have ways to, continue baking without using eggs. Today we're making a box brownie mix, and it calls for 1 egg. We're going to substitute that egg with an alternative. There are lots of different items that we could use as an egg replacement. Bananas and applesauce are very popular as egg replacements. Also, sweetened condensed milk or yogurt are very popular as replacements for eggs. Also, garbanzo beans or chickpeas and the water that they come in, especially for egg whites. Garbanzo bean water is probably one of the better ones. A little bit of vinegar added with a little bit of baking soda, also popular as an egg replacement, as well as sparkling water, club soda, or even soda. Perhaps the most common replacement for an egg is a combination of 2 tablespoons of water, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. That combination equals 1 egg. But today for our brownies, we're going to use a combination. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of banana, and we're also going to use some sparkling soda as well. This box of brownie mix calls for 1/3 cup of water. We're going to replace that with some sparkling Pellegrino. That combination of a banana and some sparkling water should give us a really nice texture for our brownies. We need about 1/3 of a cup of mashed banana. That's equivalent to about 1 egg. So we're going to go ahead and take out 1/3 of a cup of our mashed banana. And don't worry, I'm not going to waste the rest of that banana. I'll be throwing it into a smoothie later on this afternoon. And our recipe calls for about 1/3 of a cup of water, so we are going to be using our sparkling water for that. And then we're going to go ahead and make our packaged brownie mix according to the package directions. This brownie mix has the chocolate chips right in it, so that adds a nice ooey gooiness to the brownies. We're going to just add everything in and stir it up, making sure everything is well incorporated. We want to make sure the banana gets nice and well mixed in there as well. And then our mixture gets poured into a nice baking pan. My baking pan is designed specifically for brownies, so it doesn't need any kind of oil or parchment paper. But this brownie mix is a little bit sticky, so if you don't have a nice nonstick brownie pan, then you will want to go ahead and probably spray it with a little bit of cooking spray or line it with parchment paper. The directions on this box of brownies calls for cooking it for 45 minutes at 325 degrees, and in the end, this is what it looks like. You can't tell we didn't use an egg. And although these brownies do have a slight banana flavor to them, they are ooey and gooey and have that perfect brownie texture. They're really delicious. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out. You'll find more recipes, articles, and video at PennellCentral.com.